Yeah, you think I'm nice? Sure as shit. Natural? I'm gonna be famous for you.
You know me,
It's gonna be me. I'm in Gus playing football next time.
You already know what.
I'm gonna be in the A. We're gonna be beating each other. We're gonna be having the white holes, the big ass titties.
Your sister gonna wanna suck
My dick!
dick.
Your dick? Easy, nigga.
Alright, I'm keeping it 100 with you. I'm keeping it 100 with you, yo.
From Harlem to Brooklyn, even though I like y'all Brooklyn niggas, man.
Now fuck all them niggas, but I'm about to move out to Brooklyn like first. But that's besides the point. I graduated high school in January. I'm supposed to be graduating in June. There's niggas out there that's been in middle school, going hard to 7th grade. And I'm gonna make it, nigga. Over niggas. And I ain't got no sob stories to tell you, nigga. I ain't from the motherfucking projects or any motherfucking problem.
I am.
Still rolling, nigga? Alright, man, cause I'm about to let this all shit out. Alright.
Tell us niggas, man.
One day, I'm outside, man, running the kickoff out.
Easy.
Niggas is getting out my way. That's when I realized niggas is intimidated. That's when I realized niggas don't want it, and I'm gonna be that nigga to make
I was dead that day.
That nigga was right there. He was one of the niggas that moved.
I was scared too, I'm not gonna front.
He's a basketball player, so I'm gonna let him rock.
Easy.
So, tell how many points I scored that game. We playing a football game. He had 1 touchdown. That's 6 points.
My nigga, I'm talking about the basketball game.
Oh, when you had 37?
Easy. Tell him again, 30 fucking
7.
easy, nigga. You better believe it. You better believe it.
Nah,
It's not a fucking game, man. Easy.